Some people give their dogs away because of their bad behavior. But in most cases this can be avoided. A well-trained dog can become a happy, healthy, and well-adjusted member of the family. Making sure that your dog is well-trained and pleasant to be around is possible. It simply takes time, knowledge, and effort. Training a dog to roll over is a pretty simple task. Just make sure to have a few treats handy. First, make your dog lay down. Next, hold the treat close to the floor on one side of the dog's head, and slowly bringing it upwards and over to the dog's other side. The dog ought to follow his treat with the nose, prompting him to flop his entire body over while he rolls. Say roll over, and repeat this action until he is able to roll over with only the command. Be persistent and do not give up. It might take a while but will be worth it once they learn it. Your training sessions should be very short. Your pet probably lacks a generous attention span, making it more likely that he will thrive on brief training sessions. If more training is desired, work in some break times so your dog can play before continuing with training. Primary reinforcement is key during dog training. You need to give your dog a treat if they are good. Primary reinforcement could be treats or giving your dog a belly rub. This is how you teach your dog to be good to get what he wants. Silence your dog's excessive barking by teaching them a silencing command. When it starts barking, show them the treat and say the command until it quits barking. Then, you reward them with a treat. If you repeat this long enough, your dog will associate the treat and then the order with being quiet. If you pour too much information and training into your puppy, it will actually be counterproductive. Remember that all dogs have short attention spans and puppies even more so. If you push too hard, your puppy will remember it as a negative experience, and the next time you work to train him, it will be far more difficult. Do not fatten your dog by being mindful of just how many treats he gets in one day. The number of treats a dog gets during training can rack up pretty quickly, and a lot of owners overlook this part of their canine's diet. The first step in leash training a young puppy is to get him or her used to the collar during play. By making your puppy comfortable to wearing a leash, he will be more apt to keep it on. When training, only use short sessions. 15 minutes is a good amount of time since more will only frustrate your dog. After each training session, spend some time playing with your dog and lavish him with praise. Do you feed your dog a well-balanced diet? Dogs are similar to children in the way that their diet can play a major part in their behaviors. Think about altering the dog's diet to give him extra energy that lasts the entire day. Ask the vet about additional nutritional requirements the dog may have. As difficult as it can sometimes be, try to be patient with your dog. Your dog doesn't understand English, and they're not a person. Your dog only picks up on gestures and tones while not understand why you are acting a certain way. Therefore, make sure you stay calm. And if you discover that you're too heated during a session, then take a break. As this article has shown, you can effectively train your dog. The needs of your pet need to be paramount in your mind when it comes time to train your animal. Follow the advice here and it will help your dog become a family member. Please click the link in description to find incredible tools to train your dog.